Hey everyone, enjoy the show. Mantiques Network, how you doing today? We have a real beauty here. We've had a couple of these before. As soon as we get them, they pretty much just go. This has a 51-inch embossed 7-Up tin sign, which I call it, in the clamshell, if you will. But it's got the beautiful Art Deco design to the frame of it. Get off to the side so you can see how it pops out. So if you are a collector or lover of 7-Up, or just looking for a big, impressive, embossed tin sign for any kind of collection, I believe this is for you then.
These are antiques. These are mantiques. Antique, mantique. These guys sell mantiques. This is their store.
We're picking, we're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.